Hello, my dear loving students. Are you all enjoying at home? Hope you are enjoying the holidays and safe at home. So, after our final exams, I hope you might have been busy with some of your activities like watching television, playing cricket, and doing some drawings and some other activities. So, but now I hope you all may be busy with the daily classes, watching the videos and writing the notes. So here let us begin our English class of class 6th, English literature. Shall begin with the poem. The name of the poem is Mother to Son. The name of the poem is Mother to Son. So these two words like mother and son, these two words are so familiar with you. Already you know the meaning of a mother and the word son. So even without my explanation, you all know what is the meaning of mother. How she takes care of you, how she gives you advices when you make mistakes, and as a child how you give how you love your parents, especially the mother. You show your love towards your parents by obeying their words, by doing your duties in a right way and giving a good result, etc. So now let us come to the poem. Mother to Son is a poem written by Langston Hughes. Now let us have a short knowledge about the poet. Langston Hughes was an American novelist, playwright and short story writer. Hughes also wrote columns for a newspaper. In this poem, Hughes put himself in the place of a mother speaking to her son with words of encouragement. The poem was written in 1922. So today we will discuss only the first 10 lines. I shall read it first. Well, son, I'll tell you, life for me ain't been no crystal stair. So the poet analyzes the poem as a conversation between a mother and a son. The mother says to her son that life has not been a crystal stair. Stair means, I hope you understood, the staircases that we used to go up and down. Here the speaker compares her life with climbing a staircase that is not crystal smooth. And we all know that what is a crystal and how smooth it is. This is a climb against all the difficulties of life. It's had task in it and splinters and boards torn up. The task splinters all point to the hardships of climbing the stairs, a journey of pain that the mother has gone through in real life. If we look at the life of our mother too, we can see the struggles that she takes to take care of us. And boards torn up and places which no carpet on the floor bare. The torn boards pointed to the dangers and unsafe situations that she faced in reality. But all the time I has been a climbing on and reaching landings. However, the mother tells her son that I have faced a lot of struggles and unsafe situations in life, but still I climb to reach the landings. So the mother tells her son that we have to face a lot of difficulties in our day-to-day life. So no need to look back, but we have to go forward by facing all the struggles and difficulties. We have to reach the destination. So this is the explanation of the first 10 lines. I hope you all have understood the poem. And now what you have to do, you have to read the poem for 5 times. And at the end of the poem, I will give you the meanings all together. So but what do you have to do? You have to read the poem and you must learn first 8 lines poem by heart without any